Hello, my name is John and I'm the science educator for Children's Museum Houston, and we are in Kidtropolis at our Office of Electricity to do a quick little activity sponsored by our friends at Reliant. So today we are going to make a little snowman ornament because it's going to be a long time before our temperatures are cold enough to actually make a snowman outside. So we'll review the materials you'll need to make this at home and we'll get started. The first thing you'll need for our activity is a tea light. This will be the head of your snowman. You'll need some sharpies, scissors, some tacky glue, or you can use hot glue. We have some googly eyes, and then we have ribbon and pipe cleaners and felt and ribbon. And this is all gonna be to spruce up your snowman with a hat, scarf, and maybe some earmuffs. If you're using hot glue instead of tacky glue, make sure to have adult supervision the whole time you're doing this activity. To start, we are going to draw our face of our snowman. We'll start with the eyes, then we'll draw our mouth. There are little charcoal dots. And then we'll give our snowman some rosy cheeks with a pink Sharpie. If you don't want to draw your eyes for your snowman and want to use googly eyes, this would be the step where you would actually put glue down and then you would put your googly eyes on and let it dry. Now we're going to add some headgear to our snowman, and we're going to start by putting a thin line of glue right on the top of our snowman's head to hold down our little headband, which will eventually turn into our earmuffs. Now that we have our headband and earmuffs secured on the top of our snowman, now its ears will be nice and warm. So what we're gonna add is a scarf down on the bottom, just using a little bit of ribbon. So we'll add some glue right here, and then we'll take our ribbon and we'll just fold it and place it kind of like this. And now it will be blowing in the wind. Our snowman is almost complete. The final step to make it an ornament will be adding a little ribbon loop like I did here, where you'll glue the ribbon right to the back and then it can hang from your Christmas tree. Thank you for taking a brain break with me and building an electric snowman ornament. If you guys are following us through YouTube, please hit that subscribe button and check us out on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Again, my name is John at Children's Museum Houston, and we will see you next time.